So I came up with this I cannot talk. Let's start that over again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda. So the other day I was laying in bed just kind of scrolling through Instagram and I came up with this idea to do a color series. So the green look is the first in the color series. So if you guys want to see this look in action, just keep on watching.
So I am using this yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm putting that in my crease, and I already have my eyelid primed and ready. So yeah, just start working that in your crease and get it into the desired intensity that you want. Next, I'm going in with those two green shades from the same palette, and I'm working that in a little bit lower than the yellow shade, and just kind of taking my time and using a fluffy brush just to make sure everything is blended. And you'll see throughout the video that I'm using those two green shades, and then I'm going back in with the yellow shade just to blend out the edges and everything. And you want to build these two colors up into the desired intensity that you may want. So you'll be seeing me going back in and starting small and then going back into the palette and blending out everything. And here I am going in with the yellow to blend out my edges to make sure everything looks nice and blended. And like I said before, I keep doing this until I'm happy with the way I want my color to look. The main thing with this look is to make sure everything is blended. The key to everything, what I'm trying to say here, is blending. Start small and blend. You want to make sure that you're going on the outer V and in your inner corner. I'm taking this white highlighter shade and putting this on my brow bone. And this is totally optional. You can leave your brow bone naked or whatever. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I'm cutting my crease. Now, I'm not going all the way on my eyelid, like I don't want my whole eyelid to be covered in primer. I'm going about a little bit before my outer V. So from my inner corner to just right before my outer V, I'm cutting my crease. And take your time on this because this can go real south real quick. So just, use small strokes and take your time. I'm going in with this lighter green shade and I am putting that on my lid. And here, once I put that lighter shade on my lid, I'm just making sure that my outer V and my lid colors blend together. And builds your lid color to your desired intensity. And I sprayed some setting spray on my brush because I wanted my lid to pop a little bit more and it wasn't popping for me at that moment. So I just sprayed some setting spray on my brush and went ahead and put that on my lid. And because it still wasn't popping enough for me, I just went ahead and used my fingers because I feel like using your fingers helps a lot better sometimes. And here I am just blending and making sure everything looks blended together. And I'm taking those 2 green shades that we put on our crease and I'm putting them on my under eye. And I'm not going all the way into my inner eye. The shimmery shade that we put on our eyelids, I put that on the inner corner, and again, I wanted it to pop, so I sprayed some more setting spray for that extraness. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I love this eyeliner. I just decided last minute to do a wing. I wasn't going to actually do a wing, but I love the way it came out with this look. I'm using the Ardell Wispies, what is that? 113 is the kind that they are in.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. If you have any other colors that you want me to do a color series on, I have orange and yellow in the works next, so just let me know what other colors you'd like to see. And my question of the day is, what is your favorite colorful go-to look? Or if you even do colors, or are you more of a neutral person? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'd love to see what you guys comment. So thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!